Kashmiri civil society activists have urged the UN Human Rights Council to launch a commission of inquiry into the ongoing extrajudicial killings by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir. The activists cited the recent cases of the two youth martyred in a staged encounter in the Rajouri and a third youth, Mohammad Manzoor, who died from injuries sustained due to torture during his illegal custody in the Indian Army in the Surankot Poonch district on 6 September 2024. Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in the Udhampur, aiming to create an atmosphere of fear and intimidation in the district. The troops fired bullets in the Khandara top area and deployed the additional troops to the forest area, citing the pretext of possible armed resistance. Jailed Hurriyat leaders Bilal Siddiqui and Maulvi Bashir Irfani in their statements dismissed the upcoming elections in occupied Kashmir as a mere military exercise aimed at undermining the disputed status of the territory and misleading the international community. The leaders said the elections held under the shadow of tens of thousands of the Indian troops are no substitute for the right to self-determination. National Conference and CPIM leaders Umar Abdullah and Muhammad Yusuf Tarigami have slammed the BJP for hiding behind the proxy parties in occupied Kashmir sham elections. Approximately 200 apple trees were mysteriously chopped down overnight in the Rawalpura area in the Shopian district, leaving the local farmers and the orchard owners distressed. The local population suspect the Indian forces' involvement, as similar incidents have occurred in the past aimed at crippling the local economy.